All right, in this video I have the Loolinn Z3. This is another folding kids drone from Loolinn, and you can see that the props fold in like this, and that's what it looks like all folded up. Go ahead and close the battery hatch. There we go. Here's the controller that comes with it, and you go ahead and lift this up and put your phone in. And real quick, we'll go around the drone. It has brushed motors and it's very light, so this can be flown without having to worry about damage if it drops, or if it hits somebody it's not going to really hurt them. So this is good for like birthday parties, or if you just want to give it to a kid that you know that's trying to learn how to fly drones. This is a good entry-level drone. So it does have a camera in the front, and you can connect your phone to it and look at your FPV so you can see what the drone's seeing while you're flying. And it also has this camera down at the bottom. It's an optical flow sensor, so it doesn't have GPS, but it maintains position by looking down at the ground and determining how to position itself based off of that. So we'll just get in the air and check it out. First I'll plug the battery in and then close the hatch, turn it on. Lights are blinking. Go ahead and turn the controller on. Now they're slow blinking, and when I hit this up and down, steady means we're ready to go. So I'll go ahead and connect to the app and then start the app. There we go, and there's your FPV. Go ahead and put my phone in and get ready to take off. So I'll turn the sticks in and take off. So let's see how well it maintains position. So my hands are free, and it's looking down at the ground and holding the position pretty well. Again, there's no GPS. We'll move away a little, see if it still does it. Hands off, see if it settles in, finds a spot, and maintains its position. Okay, let's check out the speeds of it. We'll go here, push this down. We're in speed 1. That's how fast it is in speed 1. Hit it again. Speed 2. A little faster. That's how fast it yaws. And we'll go over some of the buttons. If I hit this button here, it'll start to land. But if I go ahead and hit up, I can cancel that. And let's say I'm flying towards the trees and I don't know where I'm going and I want to hurry up and stop it. I can just hit this button and it'll land right where it is. And then again, go up when I want to cancel. Okay, what else we have are what a lot of kids like to see is do flips. So this button down here does flips. So you hit this button and then turn your sticks which direction you want to flip. So if I want to flip forward, I'll go like this, forward. If I want to go backwards, I'll go back or down. If I want to go to the right, and then to the left. There we go. Okay, so now we'll go over headless mode. So headless mode is, right now the drone's pointing forward, so if I push forward, it goes forward. If I want it headless mode, no matter which direction I'm pointing, if I pull back towards me, it comes towards me. So that's good if you get down like at the end of the yard and you're not sure which way it's pointing. You can go into headless mode and then pull straight back, and it should come back you know, fairly well, come back towards you. So we'll go ahead and turn it into headless mode. We'll first turn it to the side so I can show you it over on the side. We'll actually turn it all the way around so it's facing towards me. So if I push left, it goes to my right. If I push towards my right, it goes left. So what I'll do is flip it into headless mode by holding the same button down we use for speed. And now if I push back towards me, it should come towards me. And it is. And if I push away, it goes away. So again, if I'm down at the end of the road and I wanted to bring it back towards me, flip it into headless, push back, and it comes backwards. Then once it gets back in a good controllable range, go ahead and hold it, and you're back into normal. All right, now I just fly it around a little bit, let you see it fly. So if you're outside, you want to have it in speed too, in case you have any wind, because it is pretty light. All right, that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and bring it in, and we'll go over what's in the box. Go ahead and flip it into 1 again to make it easier to land, and bring it straight down. Try to land on the pad. There we go. All right, here's the box that it came in. Z3 Loolinn. And besides the drone and controller, it came with 2 extra batteries. And these are 3.7 volt, 1500 milliamp hour batteries. Standard hobby grade batteries for RC cars and drones. And this is supposed to get about 20 minutes, so it comes with 3 of them. So it should give you right around an hour's worth of flight time. Came with 2 chargers for your batteries, a full set of extra propellers, A and B, a screwdriver to put your propellers on, take them on and off, and it came with these prop guards. So the way the prop guards go on is you just slide them into here, and you take this and push this down, and then that way you'll have prop guards, so that if you're worried about hitting the walls if you're flying inside or hitting people, these prop guards will stop these props from hitting anything. And we'll just put them all on so you can see what it looks like with them on. And there we go. So that's what the prop guards are. All right, that's it for my review of the Loolinn Z3. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.